and they lock in this position. So when you're going down the road, it's going to be in this position. When you go to load the bars, you'll turn it, right? The chain is going to come from this direction, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Because it's open. So the chain is going to come up and through here,
Yep.
and you're going to lock it onto one of the things. I would say...
Oh, in other words, so you want to turn this to lock the chain to make it extra tight?
Tight.
Okay.
And you're going to use this tool to do that.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
So what I would do is I would lower the trailer onto the ball.
Got it.
Lock the ball on. Then raise the jack on the front tongue of the trailer, either electrical or manual.
Probably manual.
Manual.
Yeah.
Make that sucker go up
Mm-hmm.
to the point where it grabs the ball
Yep.
and it starts lifting the fucking back of the
Pulling.
truck up.
Got it. Yeah.
When it lifts the back of the truck up, it'll
Yep.
make it easier for you to put these things on
Got it.
because you already are absorbing some of the pressure.
Because then I'm going 30 inches. I've got my bar here. That's going with my
you're like
chain.
29,
My
you know,
chain comes from the back of the bar, which is locked in, back crossing over from here under here into this, which I'll then wind forward or backwards. Is it to lock it in to get it tighter? Is that
Get it tighter.
to get it
the
tighter?
chain. The chain will get
But you
tighter.
don't want the chain to be tight. You want it to be a little bit saggy, no?
No.
You want it to be straight.
tight.
Interesting. Yeah.
Tight.
So we got the two
What
stabilizers.
chains are you talking about? You're talking about these chains?
Yeah.
No. These you want them to be loose.
Okay,
Of course.
okay, it's
No,
okay.
the chains that I'm talking about are these
These
chains.
chains. Okay. Those. Okay. That makes,
These chains,
got it. Okay.
right?
Yeah.
This bad boy is going to be right in here, like this,
Yep.
and it's going to be coming up. And the saddle is going to be sitting right here like this,
Okay.
okay? And what you are going to do is you're going to put the bar like this, and you are going to turn this.
Oh,
and
I
when you
see.
turn this, you're going to be putting a lot of pressure, and the chain is going to lock in, and now this will be extremely tight.
I understand.
Then when you lower the jack down,
It's gonna be super tight.
then it's going to be super tight. That's what you want.
I got you. I'm learning.
Super tight.